Okay, our first guest speaker for today's activity to read us a story. He is a sales manager of Ayala Land, a premier founder of Padayon Paglaom Foundation Incorporated. He is also a president of ACC 1226 Incorporated, SJ Mark 1226 Convenience Store. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome a virtual round of applause to Mr. Alain Corros. Yes, take it away, Sir Alain.
Hi, good morning everyone. Nakikita niyo ma'am, sorry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Good morning everyone to Miss Aurora Perez, the school principal, to Miss Cherry Ogayco, the English coordinator. Thank you for inviting me, and to all teachers and students of Maharlika Integrated School. Good morning. So I'm your to the students, I'm your Kuya Alain, and I'm here to read your short story that might inspire you. Okay, are you ready to listen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the story is about si Akmad at si Niko. So it was Niko's first day in school, and he was very excited in going to Maharlika Elementary School. Inside the classroom while praying, Niko noticed that he prayed differently from his classmates. He wondered and was confused. During recess, he chose to be alone. Akmad saw Niko and approached him. "How are you? By the way, my name is Akmad. How about you?" he said. "My name is Niko," he answered. "I'm just wondering why you pray like that." "Yeah, it's because we're Muslims. That's the way we pray," Akmad answered. "What do you mean by Muslim?" asked Niko. "We Muslims believe in Allah. Islam is our religion," Akmad explained. "Ah, okay. We Christians worship and pray to him," Niko said. Later on, Akmad invited and introduced Niko to their classmates, and they played happily together. Since then, Akmad and Niko became friends. They are always happy in going to school. So what's the moral of the story is that religion is not a hindrance for building a strong bond friendship. And no matter what religion you follow or what race you are, we are all equal in humanity. I hope you learned something, and I hope the story inspire you guys. And ayun, that's all. Thank you also, ma'am, for the chance to join and to share with your activity.
Mabuhay po kayo. God bless you always.
Salamat, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.